A washing machine that hasn't washed for half a year is dirtier than a slotted gate. It will produce a lot of mushrooms. It can even cause skin itching. It teaches people how to clean. First, remove the filter. Clean the fluff and dirt inside. Clean up the filter screen settings. Then remove the chassis screw. Take the chassis out and brush between the molds at the bottom. Then get a towel, soaked with white vinegar, thrown into the washing machine. Cap, press, pull water. Let the white vinegar seep inside the washer for disinfection. Then take out 50 g of soap. Press wash mode to wash for 10 minutes. Soak for another 2 hours to decompose dirt and grime. Just wash it off after pouring water. Finally, the clothes must be opened.